The best scanners for artwork capture high detail and accurate colors, making them perfect for digitizing drawings and paintings. Models from Epson, Canon, and Plustek deliver clear, professional quality results for both beginners and artists. Starting at number 1, Epson Perfection V550. The Epson Perfection V550 is a versatile scanner designed for various types of media, including photos, text, documents, and film. It features a USB connectivity technology and boasts an impressive optical resolution of 6400 dpi, allowing for sharp and vivid reproductions suitable for enlargements up to 17 to 22 inches. The scanner is equipped with a built-in transparency unit for scanning 35mm slides, negatives, and film, and it utilizes digital ice technology to effectively remove dust and scratches from film for robust photo restorations. Additionally, the Easy Photo Fix feature enables one-touch restorations of faded photos. With ReadyScan LED technology, the V550 offers fast scanning without any warm-up time, enhancing productivity. It also supports scanning multiple photos simultaneously, employing auto edge detection to crop each image and save it as a separate file. The product dimensions are 11.02 dx 19.09 w x 4.64 h, and it weighs 9.6 pounds while consuming 16.5 watts of power and offering a color depth of 48 BPP. Number 2, Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i. The ScanSnap S1300i Classic is a versatile scanner designed for both document and receipt scanning, featuring a compact and portable design that can be powered via USB or AC. It boasts a scanning speed of up to 12 double-sided pages per minute and has a standard sheet capacity of 10 pages in its automatic document feeder. This scanner offers one-touch scanning with quick menu options compatible with both PC and Mac, ensuring ease of use. Its intelligent automatic image processing includes features such as auto color detection, paper size detection, de-skewing, and orientation adjustments. Additionally, users can scan documents directly to the cloud, allowing for convenient access from anywhere with compatibility for services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Evernote. With a resolution of 600 dpi, a color depth of 24 bits, and a lightweight design at just 3.1 pounds, the ScanSnap S1300i Classic is an efficient solution for all your scanning needs. Number 3, Epson Perfection V850 Pro. The Epson B11B224201 is a high-quality photo scanner that offers exceptional scanning capabilities with a resolution of 9600 dpi, ensuring unparalleled color and detail in your scans. It features a remarkable tonal range with a 4.0 D max, allowing for smooth gradations and fine shadow detail. The scanner utilizes an exclusive dual lens system that automatically selects between 2 lenses for optimal results, making it a versatile choice for various scanning needs. With a standard sheet capacity of 10 and a compact design measuring 12.1 inches deep, 19.8 inches wide, and 6 inches high, it is suitable for both home and office use. Weighing 20.9 pounds and consuming 23 watts of power, it connects via USB and is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Professional x64 Edition, and Mac OS X versions 10.6, X through 10.10, X. Number 4, Canon Image. Formula R40. The Canon Image. Formula R40. Office Document Scanner is a versatile device designed to help you stay organized by converting paper documents into searchable digital formats. It supports various types of documents, including receipts, photos, business cards, reports, and contracts, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. The scanner features fast and efficient scanning capabilities, with the ability to scan both sides of a document simultaneously at speeds of up to 40 pages per minute, utilizing a 60-sheet automatic feeder and one-touch operation. It offers a resolution of 600 dpi and a color depth of 8 bits per pixel. The device is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, thanks to the included Twain driver, and can be easily set up by connecting it to your computer via the supplied USB cable. With a compact design measuring 9.9 dx 11.4 w x 9.6 h and a lightweight construction of 6.2 pounds, This scanner is a practical solution for efficiently managing your document workflow. Number 5. Plustek OS1180. The Plustek OS1180 is a versatile scanner designed for large format scanning, capable of handling documents up to 11.7 x 17s, 297 and 431.8 meters in size, making it ideal for A3 and tabloid papers. This scanner features a USB connectivity technology and operates using an energy-efficient LED light source, eliminating the need for warm-up time and allowing for quick scanning. With a maximum monochrome print speed of 6.67 pages per minute and a weight of 9.5 pounds, it is both portable and efficient. The OS1180 offers a user-friendly experience with its one-touch preset function for hassle-free operation. Additionally, it comes bundled with powerful software, including ABY Fine Reader 12 and Doc Action, which enhance OCR accuracy and facilitate easy file sharing. The scanner supports a color depth of 48-bit and a grayscale depth of 16-bit, making it suitable for scanning art, documents, and various other items. Its dimensions are 16.02 d x 23:1 UX 2.67H, and it is available in a sleek gray color.